Okay, welcome to the video on necessary MyMathLab skills for instructors. So let's see how we go here. First, we're going to start with some skills for students, in other words, things that you might need to show them or explain to them. The first one we're going to look at is how to redo a homework question as many times as you want to. Okay, so for a student, they're in a homework assignment. They usually pick up on this from the instructions, but once in a while they don't, and you'll get an email about it. So I'm just going to pick question 11 here. Use differences to find a pattern in the sequence. Alright, so let's say I think it's 5. Sorry, that's not correct. And then they try a second time, and the third time they try, it tells them the right answer. But also this button down here changes to similar exercise. If they click this one, they get a whole new question. Alright? If they get this one right, it'll be marked as right and they can move on. So that's how they do it. Any completed question, whether marked wrong or right for that matter, the similar exercise button will appear at the bottom, and all the student needs to be able to do it again in a homework assignment or one of the test reviews in the test reviews that are set up like a homework assignment, all they would need to do then is go back there, is to use the similar exercise button. Alright, how to find your grade in MyMathLab. Okay, well, students have a little bit different view than we do, okay? And even though you tell them sometimes they just don't get it, you just need to tell them to hit the gradebook button. This gradebook button up here will show their overall grade. I mean, this is my account and I teach, right? I don't have any grade here because I don't do any work. They do need to click the overall score. So I have a 0 because I haven't done any work. All right. So the student gradebook button is up here as opposed to the instructor gradebook button, which is down here under course tools with the symbol that says students can't see it. Anyway, so sometimes you do have to tell them to select the gradebook button. How to review a completed quiz or test. It's the same thing here. They need to select. What they'll do is they'll try to go back into their homework assignments, but if it's a completed one, they won't be able to see it there. They won't be able to get in. They have to pick gradebook, and then like here I have week 1 homework. Their quizzes and any quiz or test they have taken will be listed here as well, and they just click on the review link for what the assignment they want to see, and they can get in. The thing you have to tell them, though, is to see something that's completed, a completed quiz or test, they need to use the gradebook button. These last two you rarely have to get into, but every once in a while somebody seems particularly, I'm not sure what. So you click the homework, quizzes, and tests button, and there is all their homework, quizzes, and tests. If they click the link over here, now it shows the whole course, every assignment, except for the projects or discussion boards over here. Every assignment that's in MyMathLab is listed here. Yeah. Alright. So that is it for the student skills that you frequently have to explain to them.